guys, so today is a really exciting video because this is the first day, as you can see, I'm in the motorhome, that we are doing renovations. So let me get my phone. I have like a long list, well kind of stuff we want to do today with the help of my mom and dad and maybe my boyfriend later. But today we are going to take the carpet out. It's really gross, and I think that's why it kind of smells in here. Rip off any excess hanging wallpaper. Get an estimate for hardwood floor installation. So after we rip up the carpet, this guy, I guess, is gonna come give us an estimate. Take out unwanted items, so all like the cushions, the mattress, like these old shower curtains, they gotta go. And then possibly take the ceiling wood off, just because I think we're going to just paint what's above this. So yes, I am going to just take you guys along for the whole process, and I hope you guys enjoy. Gotta get my muscle. Look how satisfying. Chair number 1 out. Does it fit? Bonk. So the seats are out, the 2 swivel seats. We have to take them out to get the carpet out, but this is what it looks like. These holes actually go right down to the actual ground, but I think we're gonna put them back in. But we just have to take them out for ripping the carpet out. It's so hard. Taking all the nasty stuff out of the bathroom. Look at the sink. That is what we're working with. Probably next day we do renovations, I'll clean the bathroom. But it just looks like that. The last time this nasty carpet will be in here. Look at it. Yeah, it's gross. A lot of staples up here. You want to put a new board up there? Oh my gosh. We should have masks on. Are the windows open?
Yeah.
Where's your mask at, Justin?
I have to put on a mask because the amount of dust and I don't know what that's flying out of this 30-year-old carpet is nasty. Look at that.
Nasty.
Hold it, Ned. Hold it.
Yes.
Get it! Get it! Get it!
Oh, can you see on camera what's coming out of it? Oh, it's like dust. So, oh my gosh. Halfway done the carpet. I love when it comes off like that.
This is Nevada's first time getting down and dirty. She doesn't really do manual labor often.
So we took a little break. We got egg sandwiches. I got sausage, egg, and cheese on everything bagel. I am literally so hungry from doing all of that, and I'm sweating. I was like profusely sweating. It's really hot out and there's no airflow in the van. So yes, this is gonna be good. We also discovered an ant problem. We don't know where they're coming from yet, but they're all around this area. Is it recording? Oh.
Did you ever get shocked?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes, I've been tased.
That's different.
Yeah, have you ever been shocked by electrical current?
No.
Mm.
I'm not even sure how this feels.
Do you want to feel it?
12 volt.
No.
I don't know what this is.
Do you want to know what it feels like?
No.
Are you able to get this thing off?
Get your game
Yeah.
face on.
I just kind of.
First piece of ceiling gone. My dad's doing it because it's really heavy. All right, I am so sweaty. We've been working on the van for about, let me check my phone. 4 hours maybe. So far, we pretty much did everything on the original list, but where we're working now is at the barn that my parents own, just because there's more space and there's like a bunch of tools here. So we drove here to do everything. So what we did was basically, let me show you. Took the floors out. So when we go home, we're gonna go home. I think shortly we're gonna vacuum this out because it's just like old dust and stuff. I think finish ripping this carpet out and possibly get an estimate for hardwood installation around 3-ish. It's like 2 now, so it's a really successful first day of renovating. That was a ton of stuff. I'm literally like out of breath. And also, like I said, we're at the barn, but my parents own a building that they rent out for a day spa. My mom used to own the day spa there, but we went in to wash our hands because like we know the person, and a sink must have exploded in there and it was all flooded. So honestly, I didn't show you guys, but like in between for like an hour we were literally cleaning a whole floor that got flooded. So it's just been a really busy, really busy day, but it was so worth it. It's not done yet, but I'm just coming to check in with you guys. My parents are running and getting my grandpa's truck. We're gonna load all of this junk in it and take it to a big dumpster that my family has. So that is the next step, but literally all of this smells. I think that was why it smelled in here, was because this carpet was filth. I mean, it is like 34 years old, so I mean, it's bound to smell, but yeah, it smelled really bad. But yeah, this is what we have. And I'm pretty happy with today's progress. Dad's here with the truck, so we're gonna start loading all of this into the back.